Greetings from the Commissionerate of Collegiate Education, Andhra Pradesh. Welcome to you all for the today's session on cost of index numbers under cost of living index and CPI. So myself Satish, lecturer in commerce, SVSSC Government Degree College, Sulurpet, Andhra Pradesh. Today we will be going to learn on cost of index numbers. Under these, we will come to know the meaning of cost of index number, items included for the construction of cost of living index, example of cost of living index and CPI. What is the meaning of cost of index number here? This is an index number changes in the price of goods and services commonly consumed by a homogeneous group of people such as families of industrial laborers or workers. But items included in construction of costing index. Those items are food, clothing, house rent, light and fuel, and some other miscellaneous items included for construction of cost of living index. Methods for constructing CPI or cost of living index. Most commonly used method is common survey among the public to be conducted for the construction of index. Prices of various products can be collected from the retail market, which is used by the consumer in day-to-day life. More than one quotation collected for a particular commodity. And finally, simple average is taken for all groups of commodities. The example for the cost of living index calculation is here. More cases, Laspier's formula can be used for the cost of living index numbers. That is, cost of living index I equal to summation W, that is into Pn divided by P naught into 100 divided by summation W. Here W equal to P naught Q naught divided by summation P naught Q naught. This is the weight of a group index. Cost of living index used to as wage regulator, and the wage determination also determined by this index. It is also used to find the real wages or real income of the industrial worker or laborers. Second method, family budget method. In this method, the weights are calculated by multiplying prices and quantity of those base year. That is, V equal to summation P naught Q naught. The formula is given by cost of living index number equal to summation PV divided by summation V, where P is equal to here P1 divided by P naught into 100, whereas V equal to summation P naught and Q naught. The example for the construction of cost of living index number is, you can see here there are 5 commodities, that is A, B, C, D, E, and quantity purchased in 2000, yeah, that is 10, 12, 17, 19 and 15 units, and price of the 2000, price of the quantity purchase, that is commodity purchase, that is 2005, that is 7 rupees, and 2009 10, that is 9 rupees. Like that, for the commodity E, 2005 this is 12 rupees, and 2010 17 rupees. So the solution you can look at here, there are 5 commodities, quantities purchased as you see 2005, that is called as Q naught, and price, that is price of the base year, that is 2005, 7 for A commodity, 6 for B commodity, 10 for C commodities, 14 plus D commodity, and 12 for E commodity. As like 2010 also, that is P1, we can look at 9, 8, 15 and 16 and 17 for the e-commodities. So after that we can multiply P1 into price of current year into quantity of base year, that is Q naught, and then you can calculate it. You can obtain some results like is 90 for a commodity, 96, 255, 304 and 255. And secondly, price for the base year and quantity for the base year. After multiplying those two factors, we can obtain the following figures: 70, 72, 170, 266, N80, and totally we can 7758. And so total for the P1 Q naught is 1000. So here cost of living index number is summation P1 Q naught divided by summation P naught Q naught into 100. That is 1000 divided by 758 into 100. That is 131.926. And another problem we can see the items here: rice, fuel, onions, sugar, oil, and potato, and fish. These are consumed by the human beings. The price of PN is the price of current year and P naught price of the base year. So 120, 110 for the PN and P naught. Like that for fuel 120, 105. For onion 75 and 60. Sugar 45 and 40. 95, 90. Fish one you can see 180 rupees and 160. So P here Pn into P naught is price of current year into previous year, that is into 100. You can obtain some amount of, and then we can put some weight. So 30 for rice, 10 for the fuel, onion for 20 and 15 for sugar, oil 10, potato 10 and fish. So that we are given less weightage to the fish and we are given high weightage to the rice, and calculate those P into and weight value, we can obtain these results. So here totally we can obtain 9075 0000 and 733 5000. So ratio to moving average method we can find out here. So we found weight and these items. So index is 130 and 100. So 115, 95, 85, 80 and 65. So weight into index, we obtain 1 lakh 6,000, 10,600. So cost of living index is 10,600 divided by 106. That 106 is nothing but cost of living index under the ratio to moving average method. So these are some more the calculation part. If you practice in many problems, you can easily understand or able to construct the cost of living index or cost of consumer price index as you like. So thank you so much.